Friend.Tech is the hottest new app on Coinbase's new base chain. It has gained over 100,000 users, even in the depths of a deep bear market. And because of this, base chain has already had days where it surpassed Arbitrum and Optimism in transactions. These are the top layer 2s on Ethereum, and base chain, which is pretty new, is already up there with the top dogs. Crypto asked for a viral app, and it's here. This is the breakdown. Popular creators can sell shares of their token, which has been rebranded to Keys in order to avoid any issues with Gary Gensler. And retail investors buy these keys. And the more people that buy these keys, the higher the price goes. Add to it, there is potential for an airdrop interacting with this app. So what's the issue for you watching, and who is this for? Here's the issue. Creators are selling keys for nothing in return for the most part. After buying a share, you get access to that person's channel in which you can type a message to them. Nothing substantial. Many people are comparing Friend.Tech to the bros version of OnlyFans. But with OnlyFans, you pay money and you get something in return. With Friend.Tech, you don't really get anything in return. And while this is all happening, creators are making money on fees. And here are some of the top creators. Kobe has earned 144,000. FaZe Banks, 75,000. So creators are making a lot of money on these keys. And retail investors buy these keys, but it doesn't make you an owner in that creator. And when you buy these keys, you then have the option to trade them. You can either make money or lose money. And it's not that much different than NFTs or meme coins that many of us like to trade. With most NFTs, you buy the NFT, you don't get anything in return. The project creators make money on fees, and then you, as an investor, or I would say trader, can trade these NFTs and you can make money or lose money. And the same thing goes for Friend.Tech. Creators make these tokens, sell them to retail investors. The retail investors are not owed anything by the creator. The creators make money on fees, and then retail investors can trade these keys, and they can either make money or lose money. So who is Friend.Tech for? Of course, number one, creators with a following. And number two, people that like to degen or experiment with airdrops with money that they can afford to lose. This video is not about Friend.Tech being good or bad. This video is about informing you what Friend.Tech is, and maybe this is something you're okay with. If you're looking for something with long-term potential and fundamentals, of course, you'll look elsewhere. But who knows, maybe Friend.Tech will work in the long term and have staying power. But whatever the future is for Friend.Tech, the most important thing to look at right now is that it is being used on Coinbase's base chain. This is important because devs are looking at what's going on, and this may incentivize them to build on base as well. Devs want to go where the action and the money is. So pay very close attention to base chain this year. Binance pushed Binance Smart Chain, and we saw what happened to the price of BNB. Now Coinbase and Brian Armstrong have base chain. And there is high potential that they are going to push this chain as well. And if you're paying attention, there may be some great opportunities for you. If you ever heard of Luke Belmar, he was paying attention to Binance Smart Chain in the early days. Because of that, he was able to make a lot of money in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. And a similar thing could happen with Coinbase and base chain. If you want to know more about it, go ahead and watch this video right here.